Do you want to turn your love for live events into a real income stream? Well, this week I'm sharing everything you need to know about how to earn money with Ticketmaster. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a serious income opportunity, these strategies will help you get started and maximize your profits. The first step to earning money with Ticketmaster is understanding how it works and what the resale market is all about. Ticketmaster is one of the largest platforms for event ticket sales, covering concerts, sports, theater, and much more. But what's important for us is Ticketmaster's resale feature, which allows ticket holders to sell their tickets to others safely and securely. So why is this important? The resale market thrives on demand. When an event sells out, people are willing to pay a premium for tickets. This creates an opportunity for you to buy tickets at face value and resell them for a profit. But before you jump in, it's critical to understand the rules. You see, Ticketmaster has strict policies, and breaking them can get your account suspended. So do your research on upcoming high-demand events. Things like exclusive artist tours, playoff sports games, and Broadway hits are prime targets. The key is knowing which tickets will be hot and when to buy them. Mastering this can make the difference between losing money and turning a tidy profit. Next up, find events with the highest demand. This is one of the most critical strategies for earning money with Ticketmaster. Not every single event will sell out or attract buyers willing to pay extra. So to succeed, you'll need to identify tickets with strong resale value. To plan ahead, focus on major artists and teams. Popular musicians like Taylor Swift, Beyonce, or big sports teams have massive fan bases that create intense demand. These events sell out quickly, and resale prices can skyrocket. So keep an eye out for limited runs and exclusive shows, like popular theater productions or one-night-only performances. These events often create a sense of urgency, and tickets become highly valuable. Using tools and alerts is also a game changer. Websites like SeatGeek, StubHub, and Ticketmaster's own resale section provide real-time data on trending events and ticket prices. So set up notifications for ticket resale dates, pre-sales, and announcements so you're always a step ahead. The sooner you jump on high-demand tickets, the better your chances of securing premium seats at face value. And better seats means bigger profits when it's time to sell. So by carefully planning and targeting the right events, you'll put yourself in the best position possible to maximize your resale success. Want to get tickets before everyone else? One of the best ways to earn money with Ticketmaster is by gaining early access through pre-sales and fan clubs. Pre-sale tickets often give you first opportunities to buy tickets at face value before the general public gets a chance, which can be a huge advantage. To get started, consider joining artist fan clubs. Many musicians and performers allow fan club members to purchase tickets early. While it might cost a small membership fee, the investment can quickly pay off if you score tickets for high-demand events. Another strategy is taking advantage of credit card pre-sale access. You see, certain credit cards actually offered by like American Express and Chase provide exclusive pre-sale for cardholders. If you have one of these cards, it can give you a significant edge over other buyers. And you can also register for Ticketmaster's verified fan programs. These programs are designed to combat bots and scalpers by giving early access to real fans who register in advance. So by signing up, you increase your chance of securing tickets for major events. The earlier you buy, the better your chances of landing premium seats, which are always the most valuable in resale. Presale allows you to beat the competition and secure tickets that buyers are willing to pay top dollar for. Combining these strategies sets you up for consistent success and higher profits in the resale market. So once you've secured your tickets, the next challenge is knowing how to price them for resale. Pricing is both an art and a science you want to maximize your profits without scaring off potential buyers or leaving your tickets unsold. So the first step is to study the market. Look at platforms like StubHub, SeatGeek, and even Ticketmaster's own resale section to see what similar tickets are selling for. This gives you a benchmark and helps you understand the pricing trends for events you're targeting. Next, factor in demand and timing. Ticket prices often rise as the event date approaches, particularly for sold-out shows or major performances. Buyers tend to panic buy closer to the event, which pushes demand and prices higher. With that said though, if demand is already sky high early on, you might want to sell sooner and lock in your strong profit. Seat quality is another huge thing to consider. Premium seats like front row spots or VIP packages will always attract buyers who are willing to pay top dollar. At the same time, it's important to be realistic. A general admission ticket for a sold out show may have great resale value, but it won't command the same price as a VIP pass. If you notice prices dropping at the event isn't selling as quickly as you once hoped, consider undercutting the competition slightly. Even if you lower your price, you can still make a profit while ensuring your ticket sells before it's too late. Pricing smartly takes a little patience, but once you've mastered it, you'll find it's one of the most effective ways to maximize your reselling earnings. While there is a lot of money to be made, reselling tickets comes with its fair share of risks. To protect your investment and ensure you're maximizing profits, it's important to recognize and avoid common pitfalls that could derail your efforts. One of the biggest mistakes is overbuying tickets. It can be tempting to snatch up as many tickets as you possibly can for high demand events, but this can backfire if you can't resell them quickly or at a profit. Only buy what you can afford to lose, especially when you're just starting out. So start small, test the market, and scale up your investments as you gain experience. Another huge risk is dealing with fake or duplicate listings. Scammers often create counterfeit tickets that can look real, and getting caught with invalid tickets could mean losing your investments entirely. So always purchase tickets from verified sources like Ticketmaster to avoid falling victim to these scams. A verified ticket guarantees legitimacy and ensures buyers trust you when you resell it. Event cancellations are another potential pitfall that could happen. If a concert, show, or game gets canceled or postponed, the resale value of your ticket can plummet, leaving you stuck with a loss. While it's impossible to predict cancellations, staying informed about potential risks like bad weather, artist health issues, or scheduled conflicts that could arise can actually help you make smarter buying decisions. So by steering clear of overbuying, sticking to trusted platforms, and keeping an eye on event risks, you'll protect your investment and increase your chances of success in the resale game. Staying cautious and informed allows you to build a more sustainable and profitable ticket reselling business. If you're new to earning money with Ticketmaster, it's essential to start small and take a measured approach. Jumping into ticket reselling without experience can be overwhelming and very risky, so the key is to learn the process step by step while building up your confidence along the way. So begin with just 1 or 2 high demand events to test the waters. These could be popular concerts, playoff games, or limited run theater productions that are almost guaranteed to attract potential buyers. The goal is to see how quickly you can sell the tickets and understand what kind of profit margins you can achieve. By starting small, you minimize risk and create a foundation for success. And as you begin to make profits, reinvest those earnings into new opportunities. Use the money to buy tickets for even bigger shows, better seats, or exclusive packages that can command higher resale value. This allows you to scale up gradually and grow your reselling business without taking on too much financial risk. To keep things organized, build a system to track your ticket purchases, sales, and profits. Simple tools like spreadsheets or mobile apps can help you stay on top of your investments and ensure you're not overspending or missing deadlines. Over time, you'll notice patterns in what works and what doesn't work for you, helping you fine-tune your strategy and focus on most profitable events. And so there you have it, everything you need to know about how to earn money with Ticketmaster. From identifying high demand events to pricing tickets for maximum profits, these strategies will help you turn your passion for live events into a real income. And remember, start small, stay consistent, and keep learning as you go. And who knows, you might just build yourself a profitable ticket flipping business. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share this video with a friend, and follow for more strategies to make money and unlock new opportunities. And with that said, let's get to work.